This girl made $10,000 in just 30 days, but there is one massive secret you need to know. She doesn't even exist. I've personally generated over $100,000 this past year using completely fake, AI-generated influencers just like her. They secure brand deals, sell digital products, and print Wi-Fi money 24/7, all without ever showing a real human face. Listen, 99% of people trying to build AI influencers fail completely. Why? Because they are wasting hours typing complex, paragraphs-long prompts into Mid-Journey just to get a character whose face changes in every single picture. If your character doesn't look consistent, you have zero brand and you are losing money right now. Today, we are killing the complex prompts. Step 1, the setup. We are using a massively untapped tool called OpenArt. Go to the Characters tab and click Create Character. You don't need any prompting experience, you just use their Build Your Character feature. Pick the niche, the gender, ethnicity, and age, and hit Generate. Boom, you just birthed a completely unique, highly profitable digital asset. Step 2, the secret prompt. Here's how you keep perfect consistency. OpenArt has a built-in character tag. Once your influencer is saved, the AI already knows their exact face. You just type the environment you want. Use this exact prompt. Select Nano Banana Pro, hit Generate, and look, it's the exact same girl, perfect facial structure in a completely new environment. No reference images needed. Step 3, monetization. Posting pictures is cute, but where's the cash? First, you launch their Instagram and TikTok to secure sponsorships. But right now, there is a massive gold rush. OpenArt and 11 Labs just launched the AI Personality Rewards. If you create an influencer and tag them, you are competing for a $90,000 prize pool. This is literally free money waiting for early adopters. But to really go viral and print cash, your influencer needs to move. Watch this. We take Jason, our AI travel influencer. We go to the Video Generation tab, choose Kling 3.0, and type travel influencer filming an airplane review vlog on an Emirates first class seat. Look at this result. He is moving, speaking, and reviewing the seat in flawless high definition. 6 months ago, this was impossible. Today, it's $1 million business model. This is just the beginning of what your AI influencer can do. But there are still viral secrets and monetization strategies I cannot share publicly on YouTube. So, I put my full step-by-step blueprint inside my free private community. Click the link in the description right now to join and start building your AI empire today.